Hey guys, what's up? It's me. Oh, he's back here again with a brand new video, and I'm eating salad. And yes, I am healthy. Sort of. Yum, yum, yum. So, today, I will be making very weird / funny noises. I can sound like a squeaky toy, a baby, and a duck. Bada bing, bada boom. Give me 1 second. I am loading. Boom, I am ready now. The first one is a duck. I do this. Wait. Somehow I make it. That wasn't very good because I had salad in my mouth. Let me get a sip of water. Eyes will be the right book. Okay. I got some water. Yum. No. I sound like a squeaky toy. Boom! And now I will sound like a baby crying. This is so awkward, even though literally nobody is here except my grandfather, which is also sometimes the cameraman. I'm now eating. Wait, ASMR. Is that satisfying enough for you? I got hair in my mouth. Ew. I don't know.
There we go.
Okay, I'll bet you. What are you doing?
I didn't have a screwdriver, remember? So,
Oh. So, that ends the video. More ASMR, but that is not satisfying. Was that satisfying? I don't know. You will have to tell me. You will have to tell me. How much zoomed in am I? Look at my eyeball. But I'll see it from your point of view. Oh, whoa, that is crazy. Okay, so make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications when I post a new video. Bye! never forget to make a wish at 11:11. Because that is good luck. Goodbye now.